the lyric choices. One of it says, shadows fall and lay their pall. You have to look up what pall, P-A-L-L means. What does it mean? What does it mean?
It's what you would lay over a coffin or a dead body or something.
Like over a casket, it's like the shadows fall and lay their heavy covering like as if over a casket. What beautiful, beautiful words.
And cheerful.
It's so beautiful. Okay, this next piece is in Latin. It comes from Psalm 18, verse 9, 10, or 9, 11, and 12, and it's called Justitiae Domini.